1.
Open.
Sims 4 Studio.
Select Clip Pack. Click Animation. Call it something. Save it in your Sims 4 mods folder.
2.
In the name field, write something. Go to Clips. In the name field, write something. Select the rig that the pose is for. We're going with an adult.
Man, oh la la.
Click Export. Save it somewhere. Call it something. 3. Open.
Blender.
Select your rig. Go into pose mode. Right click any joint to select it. Click this curve. Now we can rotate it on a specific axis. To move the translate, click this button. Now you can move it up and down. Or you can press R to rotate it left and right from the camera's view. Or press R again to rotate it without limits.
4.
To rotate the eyes, go to the search bar. Type in eye. Select both your eyes. Go here. Turn on individual origins. Ooh. To rotate the eyelids, type in lid in the search bar. Select your lids. Change global to local. There we go, much better. To move the jaw, type in jaw in the search bar. Select the jaw, rotate the jaw. To move any other points without rotating or changing translation, hold the right mouse button while you drag.
5.
To select a bunch of joints at a time, press the C key. Then click and drag over your joint. Make sure individual origins selected. Press escape when you're done. Or you can hold shift and right click all the joints you want. That's more like it. To pose the arms and legs easily, you can use IK. Click on the wrist joint. Click this button. Go to Add bone constraint. Click inverse kinematics. Chain length of 3 only moves the arm. A chain length of 4 moves the clavicle too. You can do the same for the leg and the fingers. Go crazy.
6.
When you're done, press A to select all of your joints. Ooh, now they're all nice and blue. Press the I button. Click rotation. Now save. If you want to add an image, take a quick snapshot if you want to. Make sure the file size is 64 by 64 and plop it in the icon. Now, click import. Import your updated Blender file. Now, test it. Now that was super easy, wasn't it? I'm sure you'll get carried away with this in no time. Are there things in Sims 4 Studio you want to know how to do? Drop a comment down below. For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.